Green building means designing and constructing building in a way that protects the environment and saves natural resources. According to the US EPA, it involves making sure that every step from choosing the location and designing the structure to building, using, maintaining, renovating, and eventually demolishing it is done in an eco-friendly and efficient manner. This will help reduce pollution, save energy and water, and create healthier living spaces. The World Green Building Council defines a green building as one that is designed, constructed, or operated in a way that minimizes or eliminates harmful effects on the environment, while also contributing positively to it. So how it reduces or eliminates negative impacts? Green buildings, they use energy efficient designs, reduce carbon emissions, and minimize waste production. They incorporate sustainable materials and efficient water management systems. Then, how they create positive environmental impacts? Some green buildings generate their own renewable energy, improve air quality, and enhance biodiversity. They promote sustainability by incorporating features like solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and green roofs. Then they preserve natural resources because they use fewer resources like water, energy, and raw materials, reducing their environmental footprint. Then they ensure better indoor air quality, natural lighting, and comfortable living conditions, benefiting the health and well-being of occupants. Means they improves the quality of life. Goals of the green building: to make the earth more sustainable. Green buildings aim to reduce the negative environmental impact of construction and operation. They incorporate energy efficiency, water conservation, and sustainable materials to ensure long-term ecological balance. To sustain the environment without disrupting natural habitats, green buildings are designed to integrate with the natural surroundings, minimize deforestation, pollution, and habitat destruction. They promote biodiversity by preserving green spaces and using eco-friendly materials to promote a better planet for all life forms. Green buildings are not just for human comfort, they also create a healthier environment for plants and animals. They reduce pollution, conserve resources, and ensure that ecosystems thrive alongside urban development. For example, ITC Green Center in Gurugram, Haryana. Imagine a building that uses sunlight to generate electricity instead of relying on coal or gas. This building has solar panels, energy saving lights, and water recycling systems that help reduce pollution and waste. Just like we reuse old notebooks to save paper, this building reuses rainwater and waste materials to protect the environment. Green building projects are designed to create structures that serve as a purpose while ensuring minimal impact on the natural environment. Means that the construction operation of the building should be sustainable and eco-friendly. Like, here are some of the important points which I'll be explaining with the simple examples. Like, no harm to the natural environment. The building should be constructed without disturbing the land, water, and resources near the site. For example, if a school is being built near a forest, the construction should ensure that trees are not cut unnecessarily and that animals in the area are not harmed. Then eco-friendly construction and operations. Activities like digging, using heavy machinery, and setting up the building should not pollute nearby rivers or air. A green hotel might use solar panels for electricity, rainwater harvesting for water, and recycled materials for construction to reduce environmental damage. Healthy environment for everyone. The design should promote a clean and comfortable atmosphere for people inside while also being safe for the surroundings. For example, an office with large windows for natural sunlight and proper ventilation reduces the need for artificial lights and air conditioners, making it a healthier space. Then durability, utility, comfort, and economy. Durability, the building should last long without needing frequent repairs. Utility, the design should be practical and easy to use. Comfort, it should provide a pleasant living or working environment. Economy. It should save money in the long run by reducing electricity and water bills. For example, a green home with insulated walls stays cool in summer and warm in winter, reducing the need for AC and heating, which saves energy and money. A green building is expected to have the following features like reducing pollution and degradation of environment, optimal demand for water, electricity, energy, and natural resources, and so on. Benefits of green building. Green building provides multiple benefits, not just for the environment, but also for the economy and society. They help tackle major environmental problems like global warming, climate change, pollution, and resource depletion. They also contribute to sustainable development and economic growth. Now, how green buildings benefit the environment, economy, and society? Green buildings are designed to be energy efficient, water saving, and eco friendly. They also help reduce costs and improve the health and well being of the people. Then they also play important role in solving environmental issues like green building uses solar energy, natural ventilation, and insulation, reducing the carbon emissions. For example, Indira Paryavaran Bhavan, New Delhi, India's first net zero energy building, runs entirely on renewable energy resources. Then pollution reduction by using eco-friendly materials and reducing waste, green buildings minimize air and water pollution. Example, CII Sohrabji Godrej Green Business Center, Hyderabad, which uses rainwater harvesting and recycles wastewater. Then conserving natural resources, they use less water, sustainable building materials, and energy efficient systems. For example, Suzlon One Earth Pune, which operates on 100% renewable energy resources. Then they contribute to the sustainable development and economic growth. Green building reduces electricity and water bills, making them cost effective in the long run. They create job opportunities in sustainable construction and renewable energy sectors. For example, many companies now prefer eco-friendly office spaces, boosting the demand for green architecture and technology. Then the three main categories of green building benefits are environmental benefits, means it reduces pollution, better air quality, conservation of resources. Economic benefits, lower energy cost, job creation, long-term savings. Social benefits, improved health, better working and living conditions, enhanced productivity. Then impacts at different levels. At global level, it helps fight climate change and reduces the carbon footprint. At national level, supports sustainable policies and reduces the energy dependence. At local level, provides a healthier living environment and promotes green jobs. First is environmental benefits. Green buildings help protect the climate and environment by reducing harmful impacts and even creating positive effects. They are designed to be eco-friendly, ensuring less pollution, better resource management, and improved air and water quality. They protect ecology and ecosystems because green buildings are constructed in a way that does not harm plants, animals, or natural habitats, and they further avoid deforestation and pollution and may include green roofs, gardens, and tree plantations. Then reduce wastage of water. Green buildings use rainwater harvesting, low flow taps, and water recycling systems to save the water. Conserve natural resources. These buildings use sustainable materials like recycled wood, bamboo, and eco-friendly bricks. They also use renewable energy sources like solar panels and wind energy instead of fossil fuels. Improves air and water quality. Green building reduces air pollution by using non-toxic paints, natural ventilation, and energy efficient cooling. They also prevent water pollution by managing wastewater and preventing chemical runoff. For example, many IT parks and corporate offices in India, they have indoor air purifying plants and water treatment systems to maintain the clean surroundings. Green buildings not only help the environment but also bring economic advantages. They reduce costs in the long run, create new business opportunities, and improve productivity. However, they can be more expensive to build initially compared to the standard buildings. So first is reduce construction and working costs. While the initial construction cost of green buildings is higher, they save money in the long run through energy efficiency, water conservation, and lower maintenance cost. For example, a green office with solar panels, energy efficient lighting, and rainwater harvesting lowers the electricity bills, water bills, reducing long term expenses. Create market for green products and services. The rise of green buildings increases the demand for eco-friendly construction materials, solar panels, water-saving fixtures, and energy-efficient appliances. This creates job opportunities in sectors like renewable energy, sustainable construction, and green architecture. For example, many companies now manufacture eco-friendly paints, recyclable building materials, and smart energy systems due to the growing demand for green buildings. Improve occupant productivity. Green buildings offer better indoor air quality, natural lighting, and comfortable temperatures, which enhances the health and productivity of workers and residents. Studies show that employees working in well ventilated, naturally lit offices are more productive and less likely to fall sick. For example, many IT companies in India like Infosys and TCS have green campuses that improves the employee well-being and work efficiency. Green buildings are generally costlier than standard buildings. The construction cost of these buildings is higher because they use advanced materials, energy efficient systems, and eco-friendly technology. However, they save money in the long term by reducing electricity, water, and maintenance costs. For example, installing the solar panels and rainwater harvesting systems requires initial investment, but over time they cut down the electricity and water bills. Green building not only helps the environment and economy but also improves the people's quality of life, reduce stress on infrastructure, and promote health and comfort. First, improve quality of life. Green buildings provide better air quality, natural lighting, and a clean environment, which improves people's overall well being and happiness. They reduce noise pollution, ensure better ventilation, and provide access to green spaces, making living and working conditions more pleasant. For example, many green housing societies in India, like Mahindra Life Spaces in Chennai, offer green parks, open spaces, and pollution free environments, making life healthier and more enjoyable. Minimize pressure on local infrastructure. Green buildings uses rainwater harvesting, energy efficient systems, and waste management, reducing the burden on public water, electricity, and waste disposal services. This means less demand for governmental resources, leading to better services for everyone in the country. Example, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad, is a green airport that manages its own water and energy needs, reducing the load on city infrastructure. Improve comfort and health. Green building uses non-toxic materials, natural cooling systems, and fresh air circulation, which improves indoor air quality and prevents respiratory diseases. They provide comfortable temperatures, noise reduction, and better space management, leading to healthier and happier occupants. For example, Infosys green campuses in India focus on natural light, good air quality, and green spaces, reducing the stress and improving employee health.